If you're looking for the best handsaw, here's a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. WilFiks WGT 620-320 16-inch Pro Handsaw. This 16-inch handsaw is designed for both power and speed. The thick carbon steel blade has 9 induction-hardened tri-cut teeth per inch that stay sharp up to 5 times as long as regular teeth. Deep gullets help keep debris away from the cutting area and reduce the risk of jamming. Its anti-slip, super grip, ergonomic rubber handle is designed to provide a superior cutting angle as well as superior comfort. While it may sound strange, the rubber handle is comfortable in both big and small hands. Number 2. GreatNeck N2 610 26-inch 12 TPI cross-cut handsaw. GreatNeck handsaw is proudly made in the USA, and it's an excellent choice for all-purpose woodworking applications. With a strong, high-carbon 20-inch steel blade and 10 teeth per inch, the GreatNeck is a highly versatile tool that you can use for rough or more aggressive cuts as well as fine or detailed cuts, and it will cut effortlessly through all types of wood, from softwood to hardwood lumber, such as red oak and maple, so all your projects will be done quickly and efficiently. It's ideal for indoor and outdoor uses. Number 3. Spear & Jackson 9500R Backsaw, brown and silver. This 22-inch skew backsaw has 10 precision cut, cross-ground teeth per inch designed for general use. The skew back provides superior balance while reducing friction. Meanwhile, the high carbon steel blade has a medium finish and the teeth have been left unhardened to facilitate resharpening. It's securely riveted to the traditional style wood handle for comfort and stability. You can feel the quality of the saw with every stroke as it makes straight, clean cuts every time. It tears through wood without the need of downward pressure. Number 4. Stanley 20045 15-inch Fatmax handsaw. Stanley Fatmax 15-inch crosscut saw has a 9 TPI thick steel blade, and as it has been designed by Sharp Tooth TM technology. Working with the Stanley handsaw is a handyman's dream, as its 3 cutting surfaces can cut up to 50% faster than conventional saws, and its induction-hardened teeth stay sharp for up to 5 times longer than standard teeth, so you can expect a high level of durability and cutting performance. It's especially good at cutting quick lumber cuts, and it's sharp enough to trim 2-inch tree limbs. Number 5. Corp 10-2312 12-inch carpentry saw. The Corp carpentry saw is a great all-around rip-style handsaw for all types of general cutting and trimming tasks inside or outside your property. The 12-inch handsaw has a strong stainless steel blade with 14 teeth per inch, which means it cuts fast and smoothly through all types of wood, and it has a natural flex for flush cutting, baseboard trimming, and molding. For that much needed operator control,
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.